Assalamu alaikum. This is Ham's Law. Assalamu alaikum. Gonna give a quick rundown. The birds outside eating. Oops. Birds outside eating. We got two right there. Just got two eggs. Two eggs. Two babies. Two eggs. Two eggs. Two eggs. Two babies. Three babies. See what we got. Got an egg. One egg just hatched. She just came in. He just came in. Two babies right there. Two babies right there. Two eggs. I heard something up here. I know it's something up here. I think I can see it. I don't know. I think it's a baby. It's either a baby or two. I don't know. I'll look at my video. All right. So we got some babies in here. Just filled up the water. All right, let me get on out here. All right. Well, that was a quickie. It's morning time. It's not cold out here, but we know they need to be sitting on the babies. They got food right here. See if they want some more. I don't even have to worry about them flying away no more. Let's go right there. They don't even come out no more. I can just leave it open now, finally. No more prisoners. They come out, they can fly away if they want. They ain't doing too much. Put a little clip on it. All right, let's see what these guys are doing. Okay, people, everyone know I like to feed pellets once they get to the breeding baby stage. Right now they just got in the baby stage. I do not have the pellets. I gotta go to the feed mill and get the pellets. But I try to overfeed them. Well, I guess you really can't overfeed them when they got babies. But let's see if we can see a little bit inside before I think everybody's back on their nest. The top one up there, it's on the bed. They on their nest. Ain't nothing in that one. That one's on their nest. We know the bottom, you can see them from here. She's on her nest. Can't really, yeah. That one's on their nest. Everybody's on 8. Get out of the way. But anyway, the one behind it is on their nest. It's on their nest. On their nest. On their nest. Guess everybody seemed to be back on the nest. I leave that one closed because the ones in that box kept trying to climb up there to that box. So just for the sake of not having too many problems, everybody seemed to already got their boxes. That pair right there, they don't know what they want to do. I know it's a pair. Let's see where it goes. Where they go? Who knows? That's a blue grizzle up there. Everybody seems to be on their nest. At least all the cocks are. I can tell from here. The one sitting right there, that's a cock. I don't know why he's not in the inside. I think it's got babies, if I'm not mistaken. Well, we ain't gonna worry about it. But my silver that's right there, that's the one with the 3 babies. It was just an egg I had found on the floor. I just throw it in there. I didn't think it was gonna hatch, but she had only laid 1 at the time, so I guess it got the same kind of heat that the rest of them got and wound up pulling it off. All right. I threw some more hay in there. This side over here had pellets. Had the wood pellets. They look like they dissolved already. I got another bag. I was trying to keep anything from on this side making a nest, but obviously that one right there had different plans. But they got food out here. We're not gonna go on the inside. So that's looks like that's about it for right now. Hams lost. I think I didn't even bother counting them again. But so far, everyone that has babies, they got at least 2 babies in there. All right then. Comment, subscribe. Peace.